like, can we have a dream of having Yashaswini program run pan-India?
See, the Yashaswini is a government health scheme, like the PMJ, the AIIMS Bharat, which is a wonderful scheme. But then the problem is huge cost of running the insurance, and sadly, half the patients who are taking the advantage of these schemes don't deserve the insurance. And people who do deserve the insurance don't know how to get it. I will give you an example. Most of the states are giving the card through BPL cards. All the poor people are given BPL cards. At least that was the way it was before. I'm not sure how it was. And Karnataka is one state where there are more BPL cards than the people. So in that kind of a scenario, who is a poor person? If everyone comes up with a BPL card, I get very, very annoyed. People come in the most expensive car, they have a mobile phone, Apple iPhone in their hand, and they show BPL card. And that is a right. And I'm helpless. I cannot refuse. So I support the government scheme all out, because there is, even if it is a 999 rupees, there are families where even that is a large amount of money for them, right? Government schemes should survive, they should flourish, but people who can afford to pay, if they get a insurance like this is the best thing what can happen, because that is sustainable in the long term.